You touch my life with your softness in the night. My wish was your command until you ran out of love. I tell myself I'm free, got a chance of living just for me. No need to hurry on now that you're gone. Night cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Night cuts like a knife. You cut away the heart of my life. When I pretend, wear a smile to fool my dearest friends, I wonder if they know it's just a show. I'm on the stage, day and night I go through my charades, but how can I disguise what's in my eyes? Night cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Night cuts like a knife. You get away the heart of my life. And oh, 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 I tried and tried, blocking out the pain I feel inside, the pain of wanting you, wanting you. Night cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Night cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. You get away the heart of my life. Thank you guys. Have a blessed New Year, everyone.